Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Klaviyo with Shopify for abandoned cart recovery, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Klaviyo with Shopify for abandoned cart recovery, start by logging into your Shopify account. Next, navigate to the Apps section in your Shopify dashboard. Click on the Visit Shopify App Store button. In the search bar, type Klaviyo and hit Enter. Locate the Klaviyo app in the search results. Click the Add App button next to the Klaviyo listing. Once redirected, click on the Install App button to proceed. You will then need to log into your Klaviyo account or create a new account if you don't have one. After logging in, you will be guided through the integration setup process. Follow the prompts to connect your Shopify store to your Klaviyo account. Once the connection is established, you will see a confirmation message. Next, head over to your Klaviyo dashboard. Locate the Integrations tab in the left sidebar. Click on Integrations to open the integration settings. Find your Shopify integration in the list and click on it. In this section, ensure that the Abandoned Cart settings are enabled. Next, navigate to the Flows tab on the left side of the Klaviyo dashboard. Click on Create Flow to set up a new abandoned cart sequence. Choose the Abandoned Cart Reminder flow template from the options provided. Customize the email content to match your brand's voice and style. Adjust the timing for when you want the emails to be sent after the cart is abandoned. Test your flow by simulating an abandoned cart scenario. Ensure the emails are sending correctly and that links are functioning. Once everything looks good, activate the flow to start recovering abandoned carts. Monitor the performance of your abandoned cart recovery efforts in the Klaviyo dashboard. Make adjustments as needed based on the data and customer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.